Today we share the installation process of a product. 2.5 SATA Anti-Vibration HDD Mobile Rack, Code CE, FCC Certificate. Standard SATA interface, metal case, durable. Silicon shock-proof design, applicable to 3.5-inch floppy drive bit space. Compatible with 2.5-inch SSD, HDD. Tool-free installation. Security key lock buckle, prevent hard disk ejection, protect hard disk data. Place the hard disk box into the chassis. Attach it to the case with 4 screws. Tool-free installation design, fast hard disk replacement. Connect the SATA power cable and the small 4-pin light cable and the SATA chip-in cable. Insert a 2.5-inch hard disk. Support hot swap, plug and play. LED lights to monitor real-time status. The computer speed reading disk does not stall. To learn more, focus on Unestech.